Okay guys, so we are at Cherokee Grill and we are, well, I already know what I'm ordering, so I'll tell you guys. And I'll also show you my menu. So I am getting what am I getting? Fried chicken sandwich. Yeah, fried chicken sandwich with fries and water. So I'm going to show you my menu first. I started doing that maze. Isn't really anything over here, so I'll flip to the menu side. What would you get if you were here with us right now?
Hi, how are we doing today, guys?
We're good, thanks.
Thanks for giving me just a minute. Let me get their pre-order to put in.
Oh, you're fine.
Okay.
I think I'm going to get the botanical breeze martini. That's probably going to be it.
And that's for my Cherokee Grill menu. That's the kitchen where it all happens.
We got some bread here at the Cherokee Grill. And Carmen is coloring. Alright. Got a botanical breeze cocktail here. It's a martini. Belvedere organic blackberry and lemongrass vodka and just squeezed lemon and agave. It's pretty good. Bread's good, a lot of rosemary in it. What do you think about your drink?
It's tart. I don't mind it.
Grandma thought it was okay, but she likes beer better. Got the crab bisque.
I got his crackers.
Mine was good. You tried some, Carmen. What do you think about it?
It was good, but I give it a 6 out of 10.
Okay, what was wrong with it?
It just didn't taste good.
How are the crackers?
10 out of 10.
Okay.
I want to show you my And this is the finished result of my drawing. So I only used green and blue because those were the only colors that I got. And I'll show you the finished result. So here I just did some squiggles. And here is a duck. Here is a lizard, I think. And I wrote my name and colored some more squiggles. Now going to the other side, there were games here and another drawing that I finished. So here is the maze that I got to in like 6 tries, and tic-tac-toe, and my other drawing. I hope you guys liked it, and we will see you in the food too.
Oh yeah, ribeye steak looking good. And Grandma got a prime rib sandwich.
Looking good. Ooh, guys, check the seafood platter out. We got shrimp, scallops, fish, and I got the Nevis potatoes.
Okay, so this is my food. I got a chicken sandwich, and I have some fries, some ketchup, and some honey mustard. I tried it on the fry and I did not like it.